Okay, so we are going to try something new here today. I need to get the personal car wash, and we're at the Fleet Farm car wash.
Please make your selection. Please select one of the following options. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Okay, window up. I just got the really basic car wash. We'll see what this does. Thank you, that's loud. I did touch free because the paint on this thing, especially on the roof, is peeling off really bad. The gantry is coming back forward. So we'll see what happens here. What becomes. Yeah, so it's got a thing that's going to lower down and it's going to spray. Now let's see if it comes. Now it's going to lift up. Let's double check that my windows are up. I can see the paint coming off. That took some paint off. I can see it. Again, I shouldn't complain because the paint is coming off on this thing, but still, it's. Ugh. Okay, so we're going to reverse the process and we're going to see more paint. Okay, now they're gonna do some spray. I can smell it too. It smells like cherries. So once the gantry comes back up here, it should get the dryers going. Yep. So yeah, that's a Fleet Farm car wash. This is the Cedar Rapids, Iowa Fleet Farm along at the intersection of Edgewood Road and Highway 100. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.